up, everybody? Welcome to Film Room Friday. My name's Jake here at Ceramic Pro Sarasota. We're going to be taking you through this awesome 2021 Ferrari 812 Superfast GTS. So what this vehicle came in for is a full front paint protection film. So what that includes is the entire front bumper, all the pieces down here with the major impact areas, headlights, full fenders, and a full hood. Also, we're going to go ahead and do the mirror caps for the most protection. So in order to get proper fitment and the cleanest lines possible, what we do here is we remove any parts or accessories that will make it easier for an installation. So you can see here, I've actually removed these mesh vents from the hood. That way we can wrap the edges inside so you don't see a line that will collect dirt on the outside of the hood. Even in some of the trickier areas like the top of this fender, we can still roll the edge behind there and do a slight trim for the best look and also the best protection. We're all finished up with the 812 Superfast. The film is all on. We're not going to send it over to coating. We're going to get it wiped down first, do a quality control check, and then later today we're going to take it outside and deliver it to the customer.